Hey, I just got a new tractor. Just loaded it off the truck just a minute ago. And, yeah. $50, Craftsman. 12 horsepower overhead valve. To come see. I don't even know if there's oil in it. Oh, yep. It's nasty oil. I don't know if the camera picked that up, but sheer black. But, so it was parked a few years ago, but he just needed a spot gone. That tire's got a big hole in the wall. This opens cool, watch the hood. Anyway, it came with 4 new tires and a new front axle. So overall, it's not a bad deal. $50. I mean, the brand new tires are worth that. And I mean, like I said it ran great when it was. Oops, turn the light off. Said it ran great when it was stopped using it a few years ago because he got a garden tractor to do his plowing with now, but snow plowing and lawn mowing and stuff now, so he doesn't need it. Yeah, I don't think it'll be that hard to get going and sell. It's got a 38-inch deck. I mean, it doesn't look like it's in that bad a shape either. So yeah. Just needs the seat, but that's doable. Okay, so guess that's pretty much it. Okay, bye.